We have a response finally from Jett Lawrence, and this is from the whole Ozx, Deegan, whatever you want to call it, drama, or from an interview with Swapmoto, saying, quote, "If American fans hate me because I'm winning as a foreigner, and the only thing that is going to make them like me is losing, sorry, it's not going to happen. Losing hurts me on the inside." Well, let's just say, I'm just preface this right here. I don't hate Jett Lawrence. I think he is an incredibly talented, one of the fastest riders probably ever. Definitely the fastest guy in the 450s right now, and you cannot hate on him for having the pure speed and talent that he does. So let's get this right out of the way. I do not hate Jett Lawrence. I do not hate Hunter Lawrence. I don't care. The point is, this is so far off the point that it doesn't matter. If you're going to let's say you believe the side of things where he said Deegan can't go, or you have safety clauses in your contract saying you can't have Jason Anderson or Justin Barsha, or you can't have these people because we don't want to race against them because they ride hard. Well, then you're what you're saying is we want to make the races as easy as we possibly can for ourselves, so we win. Like, I have no problem with them going to Australia and being the Golden Boys, because that's what they should be. They are the best, well, depending on where you probably fall on this, Reed or, them, probably one of the best or the best products coming out of Australia to the dirt bike racing scene. Just incredible talent, incredible speed, both of them. Not just Jett. But when you can go there and now you're missing the point. Like, it's not that you're winning. It's the fact that you're winning all the time, which gets boring. I mean, that's with any sport, no matter what. When Hamilton was winning every single year in F1, it was boring. If you've got any team winning in any sport all the time, it's boring. You got to see, like, for me, I want to see the best people competing at the highest level and being like one guy winning one week, one guy winning another week, seeing the points go up and down like the roller coaster thing, not just one guy winning, one guy winning, one guy winning, one guy winning. Okay, well, we know who's going to win this championship before it even starts. See y'all next year. Like that's when things get boring. And then, it's just, this is so far off the point. It's not that Americans hate him because he's winning. It's the fact that if you go to Australia and you start saying, these people can't race here because we want to have a safety clause, or, you're not letting people, I don't know, the whole money side of things, it just depends on where you fall on it. And a lot of people hate Deegan, so they're going to fall on the side that, oh, he wasn't ever going to race down there anyways, or, oh, he's wanting too much money for it. Who cares? It's just, I don't know. This just is so off the point to me that it's not even funny. I don't care where you're from. If you're from any country and you come over here and you win, that's fine. If you're from any country and you win over to Australia and won, it should be fine the same way too. It's it's just this to me just doesn't make sense. Like, nobody cares if you're winning. It's just the fact that you're winning all the time, so it's boring, and you can't blame him for that. That is him being as good as he is right now, and also the fact that the golden generation of Tomac, Roxon, Barsha, Webb, Anderson, all these people are also aging. So, like, he's a, what, 20, 21-year-old guy racing 35-year-olds. He should be winning. He should be the fastest and have the most stamina and whatever you want to say. But I don't know. This is where I'm leaving you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you believe this? What side of the whole OzX drama thing are you on? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.